That we're going to get that. Hey, what are you Māoris doing playing Hawaiian roles?
Yeah, no.
And ka mea mai a Jason kia hau. Taua e hoa. Taua. We're the same people. And I had to think, ka tika te kōrero. Ka tika te kōrero. No ka hiki tātou. Tētahi ka huri ki te tai tokerau. Wētahi o mātou ki te tai, we headed south. Wētahi the Rapa Nuians went east. But in the beginning, hey, we're the same people.
He lālani ho'okahi no nā upuni āpāma.
Our tupuna, our ali'i, our ariki, they're connected. Our whakapapa runs throughout Te Moana Nui a Kiwa and very strong connections with Hawaii. So I think it rekindles and reawakens us in a unified sense. That's the vision of Pa'a and Momoa. You know, they cast us because they purposely and consciously wanted to reawaken our connections.
I was hesitant at first because I told Jason, bro, get Hawaiian actors. You need Hawaiian actors. Get Cliff Curtis. You need Cliff Curtis on this project. So I was hesitant. I wasn't quite sure if I was able to meet the standard of the Olelo Hawaii so a fluent Hawaiian speaker could watch and go, kei te pai tēnā, kua ea, kua pai, kua tika.